My name is Darlene Morgan from Morgan Law Group, and we handle estate planning and administering estate plans after there's been an incapacity or someone's passed away. Estate planning is important because unfortunately something could happen to any one of us at any time, and there's people that we care about, and we want to make sure that if something unexpected does happen, that we don't leave a legal mess behind, and that we have a plan so that the people that we care about have an easy time of things and they don't have to go to court. You do not have to be rich to develop an estate plan. And that's actually, I think, a common misconception is people think that you need to have an estate to do estate planning. But if you own a home in California, then that is a good time to consider starting an estate plan. So what's involved in estate planning is really step one is taking the first step to gather information about your assets and your family and scheduling an appointment. During our first meeting, we talk about, what would happen today if something unexpected happened to you? And then we talk about what would you want to see different than what would currently happen. And then when we put that conversation together, we can put a plan in place that will really accomplish your objectives. It's important to use an attorney to create a proper estate plan because the truth is you don't know what you don't know. And we've been doing this for so many years that we're able to really draw out important information and hopefully ask questions that you may not even thought about yet to really create a plan that is thoughtful and meaningful and that really succeeds when it matters the most. The reason someone would hire our firm to be their estate planning attorney is, first off, we do everything by flat fee agreed upon in advance. That way we don't have to do hourly billing and we can have the kind of conversation that I think is important to have with your family trust attorney. Second, we make the process as easy as possible for you. A lot of the families we work with value ease and efficiency. They're busy, and systems that we have in place are designed to make the process smooth. We typically have your planning ready for you to sign in about 4 to 6 weeks, and we have a team in place to support you along the way. Third, we really look at this as the beginning of a lifetime relationship with our firm. We have 3-year review meetings and other communications with our clients, webinars for our clients, so that we can really develop that kind of lifetime relationship. We make it really easy for you to check out what our current and past clients have said about us and the experience that they've had with our firm, and it's right on our website. Client communication is very important to us, and that's why we have a team in place so that we can better support you in terms of responding to your questions. Typically, we would get back to you within 24 hours, and we also respond by email or by chat. That way we can make sure that we're being responsive. We are a boutique style firm, which means that we're a small team that works together closely so that we can be most responsive to our clients. What you can expect during an initial consultation for estate planning with our firm is we start with some homework that we ask you to prepare in advance of the meeting. That way we're prepared and you're prepared, and we start with a question. If something unexpected happened today, what would happen next legally and financially in your specific situation? Once we have that down, we talk about what would you want to see different than what would currently happen. And that's a good time for us to have a conversation. We can offer recommendations and really come up with what a plan would look like to accomplish your objectives. At that meeting, we'll also be able to quote what the flat fee would be based upon our conversations and what you decide that you'd like to accomplish.